Ok,សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងដល់យើងបានបញ្ចប់ unit របស់យើងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងហើយគឺ unit 3ក្នុង chapter 10ហ្នឹងគឺនៅ sport adapt តែនិយាយអំពី love or money យើងដឹងថា love ឬក៏ money ហ្នឹងយើងចេះហើយពាក្យហ្នឹងអូខេមុននឹងរៀនយើងដឹងថាគោលបំណងមេរៀនហ្នឹងគឺរៀនអីខ្លះអញ្ចឹងមេរៀនហ្នឹងដំបូងយើងរៀនអនុវត្ត reading skills skim and scan skim ហ្នឹងគឺយើងអានលឿនហើយ scan អានលម្អិតអញ្ចឹងអនុវត្តសមត្ថភាពពីរហ្នឹងសមត្ថភាពអានយើងមានអានញាប់មានតែអានបញ្ញារកតែគំនិតសំខាន់និងអានយកព័ត៌មានជាក់លាក់ and number 2 we will learn new vocabulary អញ្ចឹងយើងនឹងរៀនពាក្យថ្មីមួយចំនួនថែមហើយចុងក្រោយនោះគឺយើងអនុវត្តការសរសេរសំណេរខ្លីៗអូខេwarmer which ones come first? Look, this is love and another one is money. Love or money, which one come first? For example, you want to work in a company and then which one come first to your mind? You work for love because you love the job, that's why you work, or because of money that you love, or both, I don't know. Okay, so you can pause the video and then you can answer this by yourself. Love or money, which come first to your mind when you decided to do something? Example, you want to learn guitar, so you love guitar, or you think that learning guitar can get money. Example, you want to learn English and you love English language, or you think English can give you money. So which one? Yeah, it's up to you. No right and no wrong answers. Okay, next, before we go to the new unit 3, we review unit 2 last week, a few days ago. Cao Nisai, you know Cao Nisai, he is a Khmer boxer, right? Oh no, Cao Nisai is a football player. Yeah, football player. So last week, I think last unit we learned some new words such as compete, goalkeeper, injury, match, regulation, sprint, and steer. Okay, compete means to challenge each other, to win one another. Goalkeeper is a person who stay at the goal to catch the ball. Injury, when you play football you always get injury like sprain is one kind of injury. Match is the same as competition. Regulation is the rules and steer look at somebody in a long periods of time. Okay, and then we also read about Cao Nisai, read his story, how he was selected into the army team, football team, and whatever, and then we did online test. Okay, most of you did very well in online tests, but I noticed that some of you did it. I mean, they did it without planning. They did it without reading the lesson because they get 5 or 6 points, and then I think maybe they hadn't read the lesson yet, and then they did the test. So I'm not happy with that. Okay, for unit 3 we have the first word is average. Look at this, average. The stress is on the first syllable. Average. Example, you can excellent, good, average. So average is the standard or a level that is considered to be typical or usual. Average is not bad and it's not good, but it's in the middle, so we saw average. Example here, you are not fail, you just average. Example, you can get 25.00, you in average. Not good but not bad, it's in average. Average is the middle of good and bad. Okay, the audience figures were lower than average for the short of film. See, lower than average, so it less than medium. Average can be medium. In Western Europe, at 7 to 8 hours working day is about the average. Okay, in Western Western country, 7 to 8 hour working day. Working for 7 to 8 hours is about the average. Mean the average hours, not the most hours, not the least hour, but the average is 8 to 7 hours. So I hope you understand the word average. If you don't know in Khmer, you can check in dictionary. And number 2 is influence. Influence, actually we have verb and noun and adjective, whatever. But this unit we will learn participative verb. Influence, which function as a verb. Influence, influence, influence. Influence means to affect or to change how someone or something develops or behave or thinks. She is very good at making friends and influencing people. She's very good at making friends and influencing people. For example, influence people. Example, you're in a family, the parents are drinking. The parents are alcohol drinker. They drink beer, wine every day. So they influence their children. When the children grew up, their children also drink. So they influence their children. See, the father can influence children. Teacher can influence students. Example, the teacher always late. The teacher are always lazy. The teacher always absent, something like that. So the student will do the same. This is called influence. I think you understand that. Okay, and number 3 is recover. Recover. So the stress is on cover. Recover is a verb. You remember the word recovery? Recovery is a noun. Okay, okay, and to become completely well after illness or injury. Okay, recover means you become well, you become better after you feel sick or you after you were in an illness or injury. Example, sorry. To become completely well after an illness or injury. So, for understand the example, you were sick for a week and then now you feel normal, you feel completely well. So say you are recovered. It took her a long time to recover from her heart operation. See, it took her a long time, a lot of time to recover her heart operation. He never really recovered from shocks of his wife dying. See, he still feel sad. He never recovered from the shock of his wife dying. After his wife passed away or died, he always feels shocked. Another word is particular. Particular is adjective, adjective. And special. This and not another others. Particular means specific. Example, she wanted a particular type of characters. He wouldn't take just any book. He had to have this particular one. Particular means specific. That one. Example, there are a lot of iPhones on the table, and then you say, I need only the yellow one, the particular yellow one. Even it is pink or black or whatever, you don't want it. You say the yellow one. I want that one. It's the particular one. Okay. So particular means specific one. Or this, not any or not any other. And sign, sign we have a verb and noun. Sign, so here is a verb. A verb means you sign here, like example. When you fill in the form, you need to sign. This is called signature. Is a noun of sign. You sign your signature. This is signature and you have to sign. So sign means to write your name, but not your name like spelling like my name O-R-V-I. No, it's a sign. Usually written a printed document. See, a sign. Okay. We usually say sign a letter. After you write that, you sign it. Sign a check. Sign a contract. sign agreement. Okay, then this is the lessons that we're gonna study. Unit 3. Unit 3, for love or money. So you can read it at home, or you want me to read for you, maybe not, it's okay. And after you read this, you have to do this one, answer this one, do this one, and do this one in preparation. I mean, do it not really for a final one, but just for a draft preparation for the test. The test will be the same, this one and this one and this one. Okay, so now your work, this part is the most important part of the lesson. Your work is what you have to do. First, you have to view these video lessons. View it. View the video lesson until the end, from the beginning until the end, and then read the books. I said read this one, read this one, read this one, do this one, do this one. Okay, and then you do exercise in A, B, and C as a draft. As a draft. Exercise A is here, B is here, and C is here. It's as a draft. Do it just for, in Khmer we say prieng prieng. When you do the test, you do it maintain, okay? And for do online tests in Google Classroom, and then tomorrow on Thursday I will post on a test in the morning, and then you can do it until 12 o'clock at night. That's the deadline. So deadline is 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday, September 2020. This one the deadline of the lesson, but the deadline of the what's the deadline? Sorry, wait a minute. Should be Thursday, I think. Yes, Thursday. Sorry. Wait. Connection. Come on. Okay. Deadline of the test should be Thursday. Sorry. Okay, Thursday. So deadline is Thursday, and finish. Now we come to the end of the lesson. So review the lesson today. Previously, we have learned new words such as average, influence, recover, sign, particular, and we read about sports and games. And the next lesson will be chapter 11, the histories of Angkor, unit 1, the national symbol. So this is for the next lesson on Friday. Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for your time viewing my video, and don't forget to do the task. Don't forget to do here your work. Okay.